Why is building a 22.3-meter ultra-high tote 4-way shuttle automated warehouse so challenging? Stability is paramount in such structures. Planning and design phase. During the planning and design phase, engineers meticulously analyze the structural strength, stability, and seismic resistance of the racking system. Operational routes and equipment deployment are precisely planned to ensure efficiency. Production and manufacturing phase. In the production and manufacturing phase, we utilize high-quality materials and precision manufacturing techniques, coupled with state-of-the-art intelligent equipment technologies. Installation and construction are carried out by professionals with over 5 years of experience, spanning 5 levels and reaching a height of 22.3 meters. This ultra-high tote 4-way shuttle automated warehouse operates alongside a pallet stacker crane system. It integrates seamlessly with production workshops from the 1st to the 4th floor, forming a high-density storage system with over 18,700 storage locations. Within the tote warehouse, 8 4-way shuttle robots operate seamlessly, with goods-to-person picking stations on each level. This setup efficiently handles the high-frequency inbound and outbound demands of multiple production lines, achieving intelligent management and seamless integration between production and warehousing operations.